Hey guys, welcome to ReviewBreaker. This is a review on Romantic Love. Romantic Love is a cool collection of ringtones based on the theme love. It has various amazing ringtones. The tones are really romantic and lovely. There are n number of tones. Under More, you can see more ringtones of various categories. Now let's try Holiday. You can listen to it and download them. You also have the information about the ringtone, that is the time and the size of the file. That's nice, isn't it? You can also download them. The tones are really clear. Now let me try playing one from the album. You also have the background that's vibrant and the tones are crisp and clear. Under Downloaded, you can view the files that you have downloaded. Currently, I have no files. So what are you waiting for? Download this amazing application for free from the Google Play Store and impress your loved ones. Thank you. We hope the review was informative. Keep watching this channel for breaking reviews.